Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is me Kusuma from the world largest refugee camp in Bangladesh. Today I stand here in front of the world as a representative of Rohingya students as well as something regarding 25 August 2017. Is 25 August Rohingya genocide remembers that it's a black day for all Rohingya Muslims. We have lost everything. We have lost education, our motherland, Myanmar, our property, our parents, our civilian, our teacher, our friends and sisters. So when we face this day, we can control our tired and emotion. On that day, a lot of children become orphans, a lot of parents lost their children. The Myanmar brutal government kill our parents and sisters by raping them in front of us, and they kill our brothers in front of us by shooting guns. Today we have nothing in this world. We have become caretaker informant, and all that all because of the brutal government kill of the Myanmar.
25 August 2017. Assalamualaikum. This is me Rujin Akhtar from the world largest refugee camp in Bangladesh. I stand here in front of the wall as a representative of Rohingya students to express something regarding 25 August 2017. How remembers Rohingya genocide remembers there is a black day for all Rohingya Muslims. Today we have nothing in this world. We have become caretaker informant and all veterans of the brutal government of Myanmar. This is our life in this world.
Quick return to safe home. जल्दी करिए आर सेफ होम मत आर हम जाइबिले तो यार तो इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी तुन बेगुने मिली आर जेन एनवायरनमेंट आसे यान केने सेफ होइबो यान इंश्योर करी आर तु केने बांग्लादेश मते यार आगे 3-4 मत हाज मत रि बुझिबोनी एनलार बनाना बराबा एक बार जाइबो इल्ला यान दारार मेसेज